You are a wonderful God. Oh, my creator. Only you are.
I'm about to make this video, bro. I'm not making this, bro. What's good with y'all, man? Hey, this is the infamous story, bro. All right. So, I'll take this. All right. So, this US30 trade, bro. This US30 trade. Man, I don't even want to go back to memory lane. I don't, bro, because that was a painful day. That was a painful day for me. Okay, painful. Okay, now when I was doing this was back in my earlier stage, me trying to really understand how fibs work. You know, I was just super newbie, man. I didn't know anything. So I believe it was a Friday. I want to say that I believe it was a Friday, and I was on a roll, man. I think I took maybe one loss and I had like I think I was 2 for 1 for that week, and I was just feeling good. It was a Friday, you know what I'm saying? And I saw it breaking structure to the upside, you know what I'm saying? 'Cause I trade fibs and I trade other stuff, but mainly fibs. And I saw it breaking structure to the upside, and I'm like, man, this is about to be clean. I'm about to make X, Y, and Z. And I got in. When I got in, it was at the golden zone. It was at my entry, and I wasn't panicking. And then it started like going against me. I'm like, okay, you know, I'm new at the time, so my heart kind of beating a little hard, but I'm trying to be cool. So I'm letting it go against me. And then it start like, you know how like those candles start moving aggressive, but it's like playing with you a little bit. So it's like shooting down, but it's like going back up and then shooting down again. That's how that shit was doing. So like I was on an emotional roller coaster at that point. So at this point, it's like, I want to say maybe at like the 79% fib level, some shit like that. So I'm like, dog, let me move my stop loss a little bit under the 100%. Fucked up, bro. So I started adjusting my stop loss. Never do that, man. I was new, so I was scared to lose. I didn't accept the risk. So I started adjusting my stop loss because I didn't want to lose. It started going against me some more. I'm like, dog, what the fuck going on? So I ended up going on Forex Factory. I'm like, maybe it's some news going on. It was some fucking news at 8:30, bro. I was trading New York session. It was some news at 8:30, some high impact news. Didn't look at Forex Factory, so I'm like, bruh. Now I'm in panic mode because I'm like, damn, I didn't check news. This US30, bro, and I had a small account. I'm talking about like it was, how much did I have? It was maybe like 500 in there. Like it was no more than that. Like it was really, really small. So I was like really at my beginner stage, and trading US30 like a dummy, man. So it's going against me. I'm moving my stop loss lower. Like as it's going against me, I keep moving my stop loss lower. And I got to a point, I got on the phone with my bro. He called me and he talking about some music and shit. And my boy Eddie, if y'all was on my Instagram live like the day after Christmas, y'all know who Eddie is. So my boy Eddie, he called me, he was like, yeah man, like I'm about to drop this beat or whatever. And I'm on the phone with him, but I'm not really listening to him because I'm looking at the charts as my money is getting drained by the market. Like I'm hearing him, I'm just like, bro, I'm gonna have to get off the phone, bro. And I hung up, bro. I hung up because I'm just like focused on the chart, and I'm just like, I just zoned out, bro. I'm just like, dog, like this really, like I'm about to blow my account. Like it's that time, bro. It's my turn. Everybody had a turn. Now, if you haven't blown your account, shout out to you, man. Shout out to you. But this is only one time that I blew my account with US30. I've blown it twice. So I don't know if I want to share that story, but okay. So as it's going against me, I hopped off the phone with Eddie. I'm like, bro, like I can't even talk right now. Like, you feel me? I'll call you back type shit. So I hung up and I'm looking at it going against me. I'm still adjusting my stop loss. I don't want to lose, bro. on some stupid shit. I don't want to lose, so I keep moving it down. That shit just keep going. And at this point, I'm like, you ever just gave up on a trade? I'm just like, man, fuck this shit, bro. Like, I don't even, like, you know what I'm saying? I was done after that. I'm just like, bro, this ain't for me. You know what I'm saying? This ain't for me, because I worked so hard to get to 500. Like, I started, what, $100? Like, I grew that with just not adding no money, just taking trades, trying to practice good risk management. I grew that to 100 to like 500. And that shit just back to zero. It was back to zero. You know what I'm saying? Like, I literally I just kept letting it go against me. And I kept moving my stop loss on some stupid shit. I can't even explain why I was doing that. And after the trade was over, after I was finished, I was finished. I was just like, I just looked at that trade. I'm like, wow, bro. Like, you ever just sit back and think, like, why did I just do that? It's like you be under some type of spell or some shit. Like, once you get into a bad trade, you instantly gonna know. But your mind is like, no, I think this gonna work out. But you know, like, you fucked up. So, oh, and I actually found out why I lost. So, the real reason why I lost is because it was a 1 hour fib short. It was a 1 hour fib short, and I was going for a 15-minute Fibonacci long. That's why I be trying to tell y'all, man. I be trying to help y'all so y'all won't do what I did. And I did that on US30, man. So as it's on a downtrend on the 1 hour, I'm doing a counter trend move, going for a buy, like a fucking dummy. So yeah, when I back tested and saw where I went wrong at, I'm like, damn, bro. And I pulled the fib from the 1 hour, I would have had over. Bro, I would have been over 1,000 if I would have took that for a sale on the 1 hour. Like, I would have been well over 1,000. I'm just like, damn, bro. You always know what to do afterwards, after you get fucked over. You always know what to do. Oh, I should have did that. But when you in the moment, you can't even think. It's like you really, like, you can't really. I say you under a spell. Every time when I'm in the trade and I can't think clearly, I'm just possessed, bro. I'm possessed. Something is taking control of me, bro. So at US30 trade on that Friday, news came out. I kept doing dumb shit like adjusting my stop loss. I don't know why I was doing that, bro. My man's called me. He was distracting me. And and then this the fucked up part. I started blaming shit on him. I'm like, man, in my head, I'm like, bro, see, if he wouldn't have called me, bro, like, you know what I'm saying? I'm getting to blaming shit on him when I entered the trade way before he called me. You know what I'm saying? So I started blaming shit on him. Like, bro, see, man, every time somebody get to distracting me, bro, I get to losing money and shit. I get to blame it on everything but me, bro. That's what newbies do. They blame it on everybody. They blame it on the market. They blame it on the strategy when it's your ass. You feel me? It's your ass. So that was a very painful day, man. I don't want y'all to go through that. You know what I'm saying? US30, like this one person said on my last video, US30 break hearts, man. It broke my heart. That was the first time, though. That was the first time. The second time, it was kind of both heartbreakers, but that first time hurt more because I never blew my account. So I was just like, damn, I heard all these stories about people blowing their account, but this shit happened to me. Like, you don't think it's gonna happen to you until it happens to you. So that made me be very afraid of US30. I ain't gonna lie. I was very scared to trade that pair after that. And I'm not scared to trade no more. I just don't like that my stop loss is big as hell when I try to trade it. So yeah, I stay far away from US30, man. And that was what I really learned from that was Fridays are trap days and you gotta be very careful. Check news every time you trade. I don't care. Don't even open up TradingView if you don't have Forex Factory open. And always look at the 1 hour. Always look at the 1 hour, man. So yeah, some of y'all gonna go through it. Y'all think y'all not, cause y'all watching my videos, but you gonna slip up one day. And I'm not trying to, like, you know what I'm saying, pray on your downfall and no shit like that. I ain't no hater shit, but it's gonna happen. You gonna slip up, and you gonna load up on the wrong setup. That's why newbies, or like I was new at that time, I was like being aggressive, bro. Like, and this is the crazy part. You don't even have to be aggressive on US30 to blow your account. It's just gonna just drain it just off of just a small, like, 0.01. It's just gonna be gone. Like, so, bro, for some of y'all that's ready to start stacking orders on one setup, you better know what you're doing, bro. You better know what you're doing. I only stack orders on high probability trades, bro. That's it. That's it, bro. If I don't see no divergence, no type of trend going on, like all my little checklists, bro, I'm not about to probably maybe twin traded, but other than that, I ain't about to be, no, bro, I'm not. So that hurt me, bro. That hurt me very bad. And some of y'all probably lost more y'all first time blowing y'all account. Like, comment below if you blew your account and on what pair it was. I have a high probability, not high probability, idea that y'all probably blew y'all shit on US30, gold, or NAS 100. I'm pretty sure, especially gold. Something about gold. Everybody just love gold. You know what I'm saying? Something about gold. But that's all I got on this story, man. This that trade changed my life. I ain't gonna lie, that trade changed my life. I wanted to give up. After that, I wanted to give up because that was my first time blowing my account. I'm just like, man, you know what? Let me just go back to school or something. You know what I'm saying? Like, that's how I felt. I'm just like, bro, fuck this shit. But I just pushed through that shit, bro. That shit was hard, man. Like, that shit was tough, man. But all right, man. I hope y'all enjoyed this. Hope you learned something. Please don't do what I did and adjust your fucking stop loss. I'm literally like, no, I ain't about to lose this. The market ain't, no, I'm not gonna be wrong. Like, what? Super newbie shit. But that's all I got. Peace and love.